Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. If you're not following me on YouTube, you need to do so now. If you're not following me on TikTok, you need to do so now. Go to my YouTube channel at Lennox Bennett and subscribe now. All right. It says in the number 567.8, the digit with the greatest value is now the digit with the greatest value would have been 5 because it's 500. 6 would have been 60 and 7 would have been 7. And of course, this one would be 0.8. So the one with the greatest value would be 5. Don't be tempted to put 8. It's in the number they want, all right? Not the face value, but the place value. The number 9009 written in figures is, now they say 9009. So that would have been A as well. Let's move on to number 3. The largest three-digit number that can be formed using all the digits 7, 9, and 4 is, so if it's going to be the largest, we have to start with the largest number naturally. So it would have been, and then followed by the second largest, which is 7, and then 4. So that would have been 974. Let's move on to number 4. Hit that like button if you have not done so. Ensure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and the name is Lennox Bennett. Of course, we have online classes. You can contact me at 876-549-2161. Now, let's continue. James eats 1/10 of a cake, Jack eats half, and Mary eats a quarter. The uneaten fraction is, so first we need to know how much in total was eaten. So we're going to add 1/10 plus a half plus a quarter. Now the LCM would have been 20. That's the lowest number that all three numbers can go in without leaving a remainder. All right, so 10 into 20 goes 2 times. So we multiply that by the numerator. 2 into 20, that goes 10 times. Makes sense, right? Because it's a half. And of course, 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So let's add to get the total. 2 and that 12. 10 plus 12, which gives us 17. So this will have been 17 over 20. So this represents the total cake that was eaten. Now, what fraction is left? We can write 1 as 20 over 20, just to make it have the same denominator, and then we subtract. So that's 3 over 20 would be our answer. Hit the like button, guys, if you appreciate Mr. Bennett. If you want to watch ads them, guys, make sure you watch ads them. Let's move on to number 5. It says now, an item sells for $300. Its original cost $200. The profit as a percentage of the original cost is, so they want the profit as a percentage of the original cost. Let's break it down. So if the item was sold for $300 and it was bought for $200, it means that the profit would have been $100. So they want the profit as a percentage of the cost price. All right, and of course, percent mean out of 100. So let's do, the profit is actually $100 over 200, which is the cost price, times 100. And of course, we know that works out to what? 50%. So this one would be B. So the number there to contact me to join my summer school, 549-2161. From grade 3, go straight to grade 11. All right, let's move on to number 6. A television set can be bought for $860 cash or an hire purchase with $100 down payment and 12 monthly installments of $70 each. the amount that may be saved by buying the television for cash is, all right, let's break it down. So what it is, higher purchase is equal to the deposit or the down payment plus the total monthly installment. So that's what higher purchase is. All right. Let's break it down now. Now the deposit is the down payment of $100. So we add $100 plus the monthly installment. Now we're gonna have 12 months, and each month you're gonna pay $70. So let's break it down. So it's $100. 12 times 70. Now 7 times 12 is 84. So that's gonna be $840. So the grand total I have purchased would be 940, which is 100 plus the 840. All right, let's break it down now. Now, the total that can be saved by buying cash. Now, the cash price is $860. So we're gonna subtract the 860 from this. 0 from 0, you can't. 0. 6 from 4, we can't, so we're gonna borrow. Now we just leave 80. So you can save $80 from buying cash. Not bad at all. Time hard, you know, guys. Time hard. All right, let's look at this one. Number 7 says 5 bracket x minus y minus 5y plus x. Let's go. So we're going to expand. The bracket means to multiply. So guys, remember I'm having city and Gales class as well. I'm going to allow PEP students to do the stage 3 because I think they can pass. 5 times x is 5x, but we have limited space. 5 times y is minus 5y. So we multiply by negative 5 now. Negative 5. Negative 5 times y, that's minus 5y. Negative 5 times positive x is going to give us minus 5x. Let's group the like terms. So we have 5x minus 5x minus 5y minus 5y. This is going to give us 0. Both of them are negative, so that would give us negative 10y. So our answer would be A. Very nice question as well. All right. This is a very nice paper. Big up Trinidad to Tobago. Guyanese as well. Landa chicken curry. Or the chicken curry chicken. All right. Let's move on to number 8. If minus 12 minus 4 minus 2x equal 4, then the value of x is. So let's break it down. Let me rewrite it first. All right, so we have to multiply according to the rule. So we could just mess the multiplication. Negative times this is going to give us negative, positive rather. Negative times negative is positive, so this is going to give us 8x. And of course, we have minus 12 here. Now we need to get rid of this negative 12 by taking the opposite of negative 12, which is plus 12. Anything you do to one side, you have to do to the next side to balance the equation. So now we have 8x is equal to 4 plus 12, which is 16. And then, of course, we can divide by 8. So x is equal to 2. Let's say you don't trust your answer. Let's put 2 in the bracket and see if it works out. So minus 12 minus 4, bracket minus 2, positive 2. Let's see what that works out to. Negative times something wrong, you know? Something is off. Because all of them seems to be negative. Negative 2 times that, or negative 4, negative 12 minus 4. Oh, yeah. But the 12 minus, the 12 is minus. It's supposed to be minus 12. So Wouldn't that be negative 16? That would be minus 20. Let me work it out. Let me look carefully. Oh, yo, I eat it in the 4 days. So this will give minus 4. So this will give positive 16. My bad. It's actually correct. Let me just work it again. I forget that I'm multiplying by that. All right, so let's go. So it's actually minus 12 minus 4 bracket minus 2 bracket positive 2. All right. So this is going to give us minus 4. Remember about this. Yeah, it's right. It's right. Because I was wondering why it's not adding up. So this is actually minus 4. And then, of course, you multiply first. So it's going to give you negative times negative positive 16. And of course, the 16 is bigger, so that works out to 4. All right, guys, so see my number here to contact me for summer school. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can join my class. So even if you're going for your summer holiday, guys, you can do classes with me. 549-2161. Let's spend tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.